Why do you believe that educating the public about AI is crucial? And what societal impact do you think that this awareness can create?
If a new technology arrives and it has the potential to advance humanity and improve the quality of life for everyone, then people better know how to use it, right? And if that technology is powerful and has tremendous capabilities for both good and bad, then people need to be trained to use it to their advantage and not fall prey to the designs of vested interests. So I'll illustrate that using the example of, let's say, a bicycle, which we learn to basically ride. The technicality of riding a bicycle is what a rider needs to be able to ride a cycle and to be able to ride it safely. But when it comes to a car, you need to learn a bit more of, what the driving techniques are, and beyond that, what the driver's responsibilities are, what the road signs are, because the speed suddenly becomes a factor and the consequences could be determined based on the speed itself. And you need to basically get a license to be able to drive a car. Now, if you take a train or an airplane, that is also an automobile, a vehicle, but that's not something that a common user like us can start driving, even if we have, kind of the ability to suddenly take licenses. You have to be a really trained driver of the train or a pilot to be able to drive these really big engines, so to speak. So as the scale of the technology increases, the capabilities increase, so do the risks, and therefore the specializations required also are therefore relevant to that. Now, there are the plus sides of generative AI is that it definitely is going to help bridge the digital divide. It will empower us economically. It will bring about advancements in healthcare. It will address social issues like improving access to information or disaster response, etc. But these things will develop when the process is participatory and it involves experts, academicians, and affected stakeholders from all communities and socioeconomic backgrounds, instead of the current situation where the access and concentration of resources and funds are being limited to urban startups and big businesses largely. So if the public is not truly educated, starting from the school and workplaces, about the functions and the uses, and how these power imbalances sometimes help shape what they get out of these digital technologies, many will end up becoming mere pawns of the market or politics or bad actors, and not exactly empowered entities who can wield the technology to their advantage.